So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is just an update video of a project we're currently working on. So what we've been doing on this project is we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in a tuck pointing style. So as you can see, once again, another perfect finish to the brickwork as always. What else we've done on this project is we removed all of the paint from all of the stonework, on the front of the property, and taken it all back to natural stone. So as you can see, that looks really well with the tuck pointing. All that's left to do now is literally the stone pointing, so pointing up all of the open joints on all of the stonework. But as you can see, the detail in the stonework as always, perfect finish. So we've got a few little repairs, stone indents to do on some of the stonework, but if you can see the detail once again on that stonework, looks really good. Looks fantastic up against the tuck pointing. Customer is having a new roof here replaced, so got lots of broken tiles before we started the project, so he's having all of this replaced just to finish off a few bits and pieces. Upstairs, it's going to show you how it looks upstairs. Same again, as you can see, all of the window sills all perfectly restored and all squared, looking great. Just more stone pointing to do on the stonework on the whole facade just to finish it off. So we'll come back in the next couple of days, start the stone pointing here, get this all finished before Christmas for the customer, and then I do believe now the customer has decided our work looks so good, they're going to have to replace the windows. So as you can see, I'm going to go for probably a wooden sash window now just to finish it all off. Hopefully they can bring the frames right out to the stonework. If not, we can just repoint all of that anyway. Big job this one. Lads was on here for about good 10 weeks, 10 to 12 weeks. Very time consuming piece of work. Tuck pointing and taking it all back to natural stone. But everyone involved has done an amazing job. It looks absolutely faultless as always. So nearly getting there on this project. Lots and lots of inquiries on this street for people so impressed with the quality of work. They're looking to do exactly the same thing here down in Dulwich. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks we can get the scaffolding down on this project and get some good photographs of this project before and afters, because the transformation is unbelievable. So once again, another project coming along very nicely, finished to the highest standard as always. So if you do like the look of this project, or you've got any questions, or you'd like a free quotation, give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.